Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use AURIN and how to export your data as a shape file at the end. So you simply search AURIN in your search engine and then the aurin.org.au will pop up and you just click on that and then this will be your home page, and then to use it you simply go to AURIN portal, click that on top, and you'd need to log in or be signed in to the AURIN database, and to do that you simply just log in and sign in with your information. Once you're logged in and signed in, you can finally use the data sets. So you can just say OK to this. So you firstly need to define your area. So you click on under area selection. Mine's already been selected for me. So we're looking at the country Australia, the state of Victoria, and the Greater Capital City Statistical Area of Greater Melbourne. You can refine it further, but for today's purposes, I'll just be looking at the Greater Melbourne area. So to actually open the dataset, you have to go to Browse under Data, and you'll see a lot of different available datasets for you. And to filter that out, you can simply just search for keywords. And for today, I'd like to look at the homeless population within Melbourne. So I'm simply going to search for homeless under the keywords, search, and then they say that here's the estimating homelessness for 2016. Yeah, I'd like to look at that one. And then on the right, you'll see the dataset attributes. So you need to select the dots attributes that you like. So yeah, I'll take code 26 and the total homeless. This one's fine. And then you say add and keep browsing if you want to continue looking for more datasets, or you can say add and go to dataset to finish up here. So I'm going to say add and go to dataset because today I'd only like to look at the homeless population in Melbourne. And now it's opening up the dataset and all the information in it. Here, as you can see that this file has a CSV as well as GeoJSON file that you can download at the moment. So I'm just going to close that. So now to visually see the dataset that you've just downloaded, you have to go to Visualize, which is just below the data. Click on Interactive Maps and Charts, and then go to Mapping Areas Polygons, Choropleth, and then under here you say select a dataset. I'm going to say the homelessness one, select an attribute. Let's say the homelessness operational group of homeless persons. Yeah. Number of classes, they have 9 selected, so that's fine. Select a palette, sequential is fine, and a color palette. The rate is also good. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to say add, and now you can see that how the data is distributed and shown on the map. To show smaller areas for the data set, you can go back to data because this is SA4. So you can just do the same thing, keyword homelessness, and then there's a SA3 estimated homelessness, and then SA2 estimated homelessness. So for smaller areas, you can say SA2, and then say homeless operational groups, yeah, and down there, add and go to dataset. I'm just going to close this as well. I'm going to see that right now. And then this is currently what's being shown. Let's turn it off by clicking on this little show and hide square left corner. I'm going to add another interactive map, chloropleth, new dataset being the SA2 one, attributes, that one's fine, number of classes, I'm going to make it the same as 9, and this one's color is going to be purple. Yep, and add. So as you can see, it turned gray because I selected the attribute without any real information on it at the moment. So to fix that, you just go to here, on the right, say Edit Visualization, and then change the selected datasets or select an attribute that you'd like to be showing to the SMA encode. And say Update and Display. And now you can see how the information has changed with more areas being shown and the area being broken up into smaller pieces. I would like to edit this some more, maybe show some more color in here, so I'm going to edit it one more time. Go back to Edit Visualization, increase the number of classes to 9, the same as the previous homeless operation group dataset, update and display, and now more colors are being displayed, as well as here you can see in the key how the different classes are being distributed and the colors. So now you'd like to, once you have this information and you want to visually see it as like 3D or something, you can export this information into different softwares and stuff that you like to use to visualize. So you just go to click on the one that you like. So SA2, you can download the data as a CSV file or a JSON file. And if you'd like the shape file, you'd have to create a shape file. And to create a shape file, you have to go to Analyze. So under Analyze is Tools. You click on Tools, and this little blue window will pop up. And then you have to go to Spatial Tools. Under Spatial Tools, say Spatialize Aggregated Data Sets. And then you select the dataset that you'd like to create a shapefile for. And then you say Run Tool. And this will now create a shapefile with the datasets that you have selected. And then as you can see, it says you need to change the name of the new dataset that's been created as a shapefile. So say OK. And yeah, I'm not going to update it right now. Maybe I will. I'll make it. No, it's fine. I'm just going to close that. So this is the new file that I've just created. So you can rename it here. I'm going to name it Homelessness. SA2. Okay, now that the file has been renamed, when you click on it, you'll see that there's now a shapefile that can be downloaded. So to download it, you simply click on Download, and this will download onto your desktop. So I'll just download one of each, and that's how you convert a dataset to a shapefile and how you display it visually. Thank you.